Let's take a look at a story developing this week. Burger stocks are up big on Wall Street. The major story is probably Red Robin, which has increased its share price around 25% on the week. For those of you not familiar with Red Robin, it's a sit-down burger joint that does endless French fries and basically fried everything. I'm sure they have some salads, but it's basically America's health crisis in a nutshell. The main thing I want you guys to look at is the valuations. The price to earnings ratio on this stock is 108. That's basically the ratio of the current share price to the per share earnings over the last 4 quarters. Sometimes Google Finance is not reflective of the most recent earnings calls, but 108 is astronomical either way, and that's going to be a theme in this video. So next up is McDonald's. McDonald's is up not so much on the week, but has been having a really strong last couple quarters. Basically, ever since they introduced breakfast all day, McDonald's has been on a tear. The earnings ratio, P to E on this one, is 56. That's still really high, and that means people anticipate that this company is going to be doing a lot more business in the future, and their earnings are going to keep going up. All right, next up is Shake Shack, and this one is allegedly offering a little bit higher quality food. For those of you that remember the Worst of the Food Industry episode on Pat LaFreda, he supplies Shake Shack with their aged whole muscle cut ground beef, which goes into their burgers. Check again at the valuations on this company. Again, astronomical price to earnings ratios in the 70s. They've been having a rough half, but again, up on the week. Burger stocks up on the week is the big story here. Next up is going to be not so much a burger place, but Chipotle Mexican Grill. I'm sure you guys know about Chipotle. This stock is completely astronomical with the valuation. Google Finance is quoting it at 147 times earnings, and that's just ridiculous. I think this entire sector is poised for a massive correction. People think that people are going to be eating at burger places and that their earnings are going to keep on going up, but I'm not seeing that as the long-term trend. So vote with your dollars and don't buy this crappy food that's poisoning America.
I'm a reasonable guy, but I've just experienced some very unreasonable things.